What's going on, YouTube? Look, so it's been a while. I didn't get no video out last week. Today is Thursday, as y'all can see Galen in the background. But last week I didn't get no video out. I was busy, procrastinating. Battlefield 1 came out and Mafia 3. I had to get those. So, I was playing my video games and just chilling, playing basketball and just living life, doing homework too. So I know y'all like, well, that's a 7-minute video. You could have made it. I could have, but I was being lazy. So ain't no crime, ain't no law against being lazy. Sometimes I get that way and I just don't do what it is I'm supposed to be doing. It's just like that. That's me. You gotta know yourself. Like I know myself. But so here it is. We're making this video on first it was supposed to be on drug tests, right? Somebody asked me a question about drug tests. But also we're gonna talk about clinical sites, because the people actually mandating that the students be drug tested is the clinical sites. I didn't see in the handbook anywhere where Galen said that they wanted you to be drug tested. So for LPN students, drug testing will occur before you even get in the program. It's a 1-year program for LPN. So before you even get in, you need your drug test, and you need to have that submitted to verified credentials. Oh, no, not verified credentials. The drug test is submitted in the documents tab of your student portal once you get it. And for ADN, or the associate degree holder nurses, it'll be before your third quarter, because clinicals start on third quarter. Now, clinical sites for Galen range all the way from Pinellas County, which is St. Petersburg, where Galen is located, to Barstow County and very far away places. You know what I'm saying? The Hillsborough County, all type of places. But we're gonna name a couple clinical sites for everybody, because the most people is coming from across the bridge. I got one girl in my class, and not one, but like 3, and they carpool here. 2 hours and 30 minutes drive to get to Galen to take these classes. Now, if that ain't dedication, I don't know what it is. I'm telling you, people have excuses all the time, but when you want something, you want something. So let's go into it. Let's talk about first on this list, say Bartow Regional Hospital, and that's in Bartow, Florida, 33830. Y'all can just Google these names and find out addresses if y'all want. We got Hudson, Florida, which is Bayonet Point Medical Center. We got Bayshore Point Nursing Rehab Center, and that's on Gandy Boulevard in Tampa, Florida. Bayview Nursing and Rehab Center, Bradenton, Florida. Bon Secours, I have no idea what that is or where it is. Well, I know where it is because it's on this paper. It says St. Petersburg. Brandon Regional Hospital in Brandon, Florida. Canterbury Tower, Tampa, Florida. Carrington Place in St. Petersburg, Florida. Florida Hospital at Canterton, at Health Center Drive in Land O'Lakes, Florida. Greystone Health Center in Apollo, St. Petersburg, Florida. Gulf Shore Rehab Center, Pinellas Park, Florida. Harbor Health and Rehab, Clearwater, Florida. Health South Rehabilitation Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. Harrington Park Care and Rehab Center, Bradenton, Florida. Kindred Hospital in St. Petersburg, Florida. Kindred Hospital, TPA, Manhattan Avenue in Tampa, Florida. Largo Medical Facility in Largo, Florida. Lexington Health and Rehab, St. Petersburg, Florida. Manatee Memorial Hospital, Bradenton, Florida. Manor Care in Palm Harbor, Florida. Northside Hospital in St. Petersburg, Florida. Oak Hill Hospital, Brooksville, Florida. Oak Manor, Largo, Florida. Palm Gardens of Pinellas, Largo, Florida. Palms of Pasadena Hospital, That's in St. Petersburg. Pinellas Park Rehab, Pinellas Park, Florida. And there's a couple of more on the list, but I'm going to stop there. With the new ACEN or ACEN accreditation that Galen has just got, they are now in talks with the VA in Tampa General Hospital and trying to partner up with USF to get clinical sites and both of the previously named. So that's pretty exciting. If they do, however, get clinical sites at the VA, I will be the first one to sign up for there, because it will be awesome to work for the VA as a nurse, because there's so many transfer opportunities. I mean, there's a VA in pretty much every state. You know what I'm saying? So if you decide, today I want to live in, Vermont somewhere, or especially Virginia, I plan on going back to Virginia. So if I want to go back to Virginia, then I can just transfer there. And the VA pays well, so that's awesome. And I get to take care of soldiers, which would be awesome. So that's my time. So all you future nurses, I'll see you at another time. Future Nurse Jinxie, I'm out.